Also making news late this afternoon, the National Weather Service reporting that an EF0 tornado in fact touched down near Manzanita, leaving a trail of damage.
Which includes blown out windows, roof damage, fence damage. We show you a look at a home that got the brunt of the wind, but nobody was hurt. No one was in the vacation rental when it was occupied, when what they believe that there was that EF tornado that blew through here. 6 outer windows were blown out. They're still assessing the damage. Next door, there was roof damage at a home, and behind the home, some trees shorn off and blown over. There were also trees down in the path closer to the ocean. There were nearby fence sections ripped off by the strong wind. Of course, everybody thankful the damage wasn't worse.
And I get the text message, tornado, the view house was hit, 6 windows blown out. It's a shocker.
A shocker indeed. A lot of these tornadoes pop up very quickly here in the Pacific Northwest. Now, some nearby construction workers say that they saw a water spout come in off of the ocean and move towards land. But then they said they couldn't see anything, but they certainly felt the wind, and then suddenly a huge hailstorm. But again, a lot of people grateful that nobody was hurt.
All right.